There was a key update in GTM on April 10th, 2025. Now we can no longer send user data from here like we used before. Inshallah, this video will about how to set up e-commerce Google Ads conversion tracking according to updated GTM and user data sending. Navigate to Google Ads account and move on goals. Scroll down and click on create conversion action. We select website due to our intention to track the product that have been purchased from our website. Here paste our website URL and scan. Scroll down and click on add a conversion action manually. Select category means select our conversion type. We need to assign a name to our conversion. In this value section, we keep it use different values for each conversion. Let's explain why we'll do this. One customer visit our website and buys one product, then other product. In this way, a single customer buys more product repeatedly. For each product purchase, one conversion will be counted. However, if our conversion goals is lead generation, it will be different. And count, select every, then click through conversion window. 30 days it's standard. And engage view conversion window, view through conversion window, and attribution I keep it as it is, and enhanced conversion must be turned on. If you want to change this section, click on drop down menu and change as you like, then click on done. Save and continue. Move on, use Google Tag Manager. Here we got conversion ID and conversion label. And next step, at this step it's asking to us set up the conversion linker tag. I have already done that. If you have not set up yet, make sure to do it now. Let's go our Google Tag Manager account overview and go to preview. Our website URL must be here. Then connect. Let's make a test purchase. Move on Tag Assistant and continue. Click on purchase event, then data layer. Our event name is purchase. Let's copy this. Back to Google Tag Manager. Move on triggers. New trigger configuration. Scroll a bit and select custom event. Paste here event name that we copied from Tag Assistant. Let's the name trigger. Then click on save. Now we create a tag for send event parameter. New tag configuration. Google Ads conversion tagging, and paste here conversion ID that we got from our Google Ads conversion. Conversion ID is a constant variable. Let's create a constant. click on plus icon, again plus icon, variable configuration, scroll down and select constant. Paste here conversion ID and name the variable. Then save, and here conversion label, conversion value, transaction ID and currency code. For this, move on tag assistant. Under the data layer, we see transaction ID, value and currency inside e-commerce object. If we want to get a value inside the e-commerce object, so we also need to track e-commerce object. To get it, use a dot between them. Copy this value and back to Google Tag Manager. Click on plus icon. It must be a user-defined variable, so click on again plus icon, variable configuration, select data layer variable, paste here value, let's the name variable, then save, and same way transaction ID. Click on plus icon, again plus icon, variable configuration, data layer variable, paste here value and name the variable. Transaction ID means order ID. Then save, also for currency code. Now triggering. Select Google Ads purchase trigger. Let's the name tag. Now save. Now we create user defined variable for send user data. Scroll down, user defined variable, click on new, variable configuration, data layer variable, back to tag assistant and let's track user data. Copy customer email as it is and paste here. Let's the name variable. Then save. In the same way, we will create user defined variables for other user data. New variable configuration, data layer variable and paste here variable name. Then save. Again new variable configuration, data layer variable, copy first name and paste here and variable name. Then save. Our variable create is complete. Now we create a tag for send user data. Click on new, tag configuration, Google Ads, select Google Ads user provided data event, and here conversion ID. Previously we created constant for conversion ID. Click on plus icon and search here G-Ads conversion ID and select this constant. User provided data. Click on drop down menu and select new variable. Selecting manual configuration for email, click on drop down menu and select variable that we created for email. And phone, same way, click on drop down menu and select variable. Same way for first name, click on drop down menu and select first name variable. Same way last name, state, city and region, country, postal code means zip code. Let's the name variable. Then save and triggering, select Google Ads purchase trigger and then name the tag. Then save. Let's preview and check our tag work properly. Continue and make a purchase. Move on tag assistant. Here we see Google Ads purchase conversion tracking tag fired, also user provided data tag fired. That means our tag setup is done and work properly. Back to Google Tag Manager and now submit. Name the version, then publish. Now back to Google Ads account and click on Run. Bit a scroll down. Here we see our conversion created. Make sure the purchase conversion tracking set as primary. Here show no recent conversion. When someone make purchase from our website, then data will show here. If you have any question about the content and your part, please comment below.